Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya wa mursalin. Wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad. Alhamdulillah. First and foremost, let us express our gratitude to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for giving us this opportunity to meet in this series of Ramadan and Management, day number 5, inshallah, the 5th of Ramadan on the 27th of March 2023. And inshallah, for this series, I would like to talk about organizing a component of the management function, which is to arrange jobs and to assign people with the activities to get things done in organization. In reflection to the summary of juz number 5 of the Quran from Surah An-Nisa, verses 24 until 147, the theme of this juz number 5 is about obedience to Allah, His Messenger, and the authority. Ati Allah wa ati Rasul wa ulil amri minkum. Any differences, we should refer back to the Quran and the Sunnah. And when you talk about refer back to the authority, refer back or be obedience to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we can see the relevance of this obedience with the organizing in terms of communication or muamalat or transaction between managers and the employees. Number two, in terms of our thinking, our fikrah need to have the obedience fikrah, ubudiyah fikrah to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to get things together, or ijtima, or in jama'ah. And we need to have alignment to the situation of waqi'iyah and together with our stakeholders by having ukhuwah or the networking. And also to interline with the jama'ah, the feeling of izzah to the work, to the objective of life, and to make ikhtiyar or initiative with the uruf and the norms, and at the end to have ummatic thinking to bring mercy to all the world. With that, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.